Is your Ford Expedition's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the liftgate and hood switches, along with battery problems. Start by inspecting the hood and liftgate switches for corrosion, loose wiring, or debris. Use a multimeter to check switch continuity. It should read 0 ohms when closed. For the battery, ensure it's providing at least 12.4 volts. A weak battery can cause voltage fluctuations that trigger the alarm. Ford's MyFord app also offers real-time switch diagnostics for newer models. Once you've identified the problem, here's how to fix Ford Expedition alarm issues with practical solutions. For corroded switches, clean them thoroughly and apply dielectric grease. This prevents future corrosion and ensures proper electrical contact. If a switch is faulty, replace it with a relatively inexpensive part. Switches are easy to access and replace in most models. For battery issues, consider replacement, especially if it's over 3 years old. You can also try disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes to reset the system. Some models may require a BCM software recalibration, which a Ford dealer can perform using specialized diagnostic tools. Remember to always disconnect the battery before starting any repairs to prevent electrical shocks. Consider upgrading to a lithium-ion battery as in the 2023 models, which have improved false positives from battery issues.